Hi, this is Ronald Brooks or Ryan Brooks. Hi, fellow marketers. My last video was focused on the hidden ways to make money at home in 2025. You know, Today I'd like to talk about passive income made easy, top strategies for beginners. I'd like to talk about 6 top passive income strategies. The difference between making active versus passive income. Most passive income takes some effort up front. So let's focus on 6 of the passive income strategies. The first one, investing in dividend stocks. Simple apps like Robinhood or Wellbull, reinvesting dividends for compounding income. Number 2, creating digital products. And this is one of my favorites. Ebooks, Canva templates, printables, sell on Etsy's, Gumroad, or your own site. Number 3, and this is everybody's favorite, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love like Amazon Associates or ShareSale. Add links to a blog, your YouTube channel, or TikTok bio. Number 4, YouTube automation. Make faceless videos with voiceovers. Now, use AI tools for scripts and editing. Number 5, online courses or mini workshops. Use platforms like Teachable or Skillshare. Start with something simple and teach what you know. There are so many people out there who have so much talent and know-how. This would be an excellent idea for anyone interested in starting an income at home. And number 6, rental income. That's something else. Airbnb or long-term property rental. Mention at REITs as a handoff alternative. And that could be a side hustle that you can bring extra money. Extra money is a way to, hey, pay some bills or pay something that's something that you always want to pay off. So so pick one strategy. Focus on being patient. It compounds over time, and keep learning and reinvesting in your efforts. Always reinvesting. That's important. So, which passive income ideas are you most excited about today to try? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to my channel. I need all the subscribers I can. And share with a friend who needs to hear this information. So this is Ron Brooks again, and fellow marketers, keep marketing on.